All right, today we are diving deep into the data to uncover what I think might just be the biggest hidden opportunity on all of YouTube for 2025. You're not going to want to miss this, so let's get right into it. Okay, so let's just kick things off with a question. What is YouTube's fastest growing, but also most ignored audience? Think about it for a second. The answer, I promise you, is probably not what you're expecting, and it points to a market that is just massive and completely untapped. Check this out. 88%. Seriously, just let that number hang in the air for a second. It's a huge figure, and what it represents is nothing short of a seismic shift in how an entire generation is consuming media. You heard that right. A staggering 88% of people aged 55 and over are using YouTube every single week. I mean, this isn't just some little trend we're spotting. This is a full-blown media consumption tidal wave. And it is creating what I truly believe is a once-in-a-decade opportunity for creators. And that brings us to what we're calling YouTube's hidden gold rush. We're talking about the senior longevity niche. This is an area that is just absolutely exploding with viewers, but here's the crazy part. There are hardly any creators serving them. I mean, the growth here is just incredible. To put it in perspective, back in 2019, only about 38% of people over 65 were on YouTube. Fast forward just 2 years, it jumps to 49%. And now, a whopping 88% of the 55-plus demographic are on the platform every single week. This is honestly one of the fastest platform adoptions I think we've ever seen. So, what does all this user growth actually mean for you as a creator? Well, it means a massive, and I mean massive, market opportunity. Our analysis is actually projecting a potential 19 times growth multiplier for channels in this space. Let's break down exactly how we get to that number. Okay, now this is where it gets really interesting. Look at the sheer scale of this imbalance. On one hand, you've got roughly 10,000 dedicated channels trying to serve this niche. But the potential audience? We're talking over 250 million people. This isn't just a little gap, folks. It's a canyon. And that supply and demand canyon is precisely what creates this 19x growth potential. It is the perfect storm. You've got ultra-low competition slamming right into massive, booming demand from a brand new, highly engaged audience. It's just, wow. But listen, the opportunity here isn't just about the raw numbers. This is where it gets really, really powerful, especially if you happen to be in this demographic yourself, because you have a unique and, frankly, an unbeatable advantage. So here's the most crucial point, the real takeaway. In this niche, your age is the competitive moat. Think about that. It's the one thing that younger creators simply cannot fake, cannot replicate, and it is by far the most valuable asset you can possibly have. Let's just compare for a second, right? A 30-year-old expert, they can come in with all the credentials and theory in the world. But a 65-year-old creator, they offer something so much more valuable to this audience. Decades of real, lived experience. And that's what these viewers are looking for. They want authenticity, they want relatability, they want to hear from someone who just gets it. Okay, let's talk about the money, because yeah, the potential here is pretty significant. This isn't just about getting a bunch of views, it's about building a highly profitable channel. And that's all thanks to a very unique set of advertisers who are absolutely desperate to reach this audience. Just take a look at some of these sub-niches. The CPMs, that's the rate advertisers pay you, are incredibly high. I mean, hearing health is averaging $11.50. Just for context, that is more than double what a lot of huge gaming or entertainment channels are making. And why are they so high? It's simple. Healthcare companies will pay an absolute premium to get in front of this specific and very valuable audience. And hey, just a super quick primer for anyone who's new to this, CPM stands for cost per mil. It's basically what advertisers pay for every 1,000 views on your video. All you really need to know is this: a higher CPM means more ad revenue in your pocket for the exact same number of views. So what does this actually look like in the real world, with a real channel? Let's look at this number, $4,800. And let me be clear, this isn't some pie-in-the-sky projection or a wild estimate. This is the actual amount a 62-year-old creator from a channel called Small Retired Life earned in her very first fully monetized month. It's powerful proof that success in this niche isn't some far-off dream. It can happen, and it can happen incredibly fast, even for brand new creators. All right, so let's recap.
We've got a massive, totally underserved audience. We've got a huge financial opportunity. And we've got an unbeatable competitive advantage if you're in the demographic. It's time to bring it all together for the final verdict. So, based on all the data we've crunched, we're giving this niche a validation score of 92 out of 100. And that is an incredible score. It's hitting all the marks, demand is through the roof, competition is pretty much non-existent, and the monetization potential is just excellent. Which, of course, brings us all the way back to the original question we started with. After looking at all of this evidence, is this a good niche for a new YouTuber to jump into in 2025? The answer, based on all the data, is a clear, loud, and resounding yes. Seriously, this is one of the single strongest opportunities we have seen on the entire platform in years. And here's why, boiled down to 3 key points. First, this is a rare, once-in-a-decade kind of demographic gold rush. Second, if you're a creator over 55, you have that completely unbeatable authenticity moat. And third, that premium monetization from healthcare sponsors, it puts this niche in a class all by itself. Now, of course, I have to say, finding the right niche for you is always going to be a personal journey. It takes time, it takes a little experimentation, and above everything else, remember that it's your unique voice, your unique perspective, that's going to be the thing that really connects with an audience. And that brings me to you. After seeing all of this, I'm curious, what niche are you considering? What topics get you excited? What are you passionate about? I genuinely want to hear from you on this. Drop a comment below and tell me the niche you're thinking about. I'm going to pick a few of the most interesting ideas from the comments and do a full deep dive analysis, just like this one, in a future explainer. So get those ideas in there. Thanks so much for watching.